Hi guys, it's Stock Curry, and in today's video we're going to talk about why cryptocurrencies are running up. I'm going to look at Shiba Inu and let you know if it's on a new bull run or a bull trap. I've also got 6 stocks to buy now, so let's get into it. Alright, I don't have a whole lot of market news for you guys today. Things are pretty much running just as we expected. So let me just tell you real fast about some exciting things coming up for 2022 on this channel, and then we'll get right into the stock picks. First of all, I've been making a lot of progress on my courses. I wanted to let you know that I'm going to have a beginner fast track to trading success course where we're going to be going over how to do fundamental analysis, how to do technical analysis, how to read EMAs and RSI and MACD, how to avoid buying at the top, how to avoid selling at the bottom, and just how to diversify and manage risk in your portfolio, as well as some of the emotional challenges that come along with trading in the stock market. I'm also going to put together an introduction to options course that'll be free, and on that course I'm just going to go over some basics of options trading, such as how to read Greeks, delta, gamma, theta, vega, how to understand what puts and calls are, and how to make money by selling options instead of buying options through some simple strategies such as covered calls and cash secured puts. Now, after those are completed in the beginning of 2022, towards the middle of 2022, I'm going to be releasing some advanced trading strategies courses. And these are going to be things like swing trading, which is a way of making money in the stock market without trading options. I'm also going to be going over multi-leg option strategies. This is probably the best way to just flat out get rich. Multi-leg option strategies are profitable 80% of the time and can often generate 100% or higher returns. A lot of retail investors have used multi-leg options to turn relatively small accounts of, say, $10,000 or $20,000 into over $1 million within just 1 to 2 years. And so I'm going to be showing you these option strategies and how you can turn your small portfolio into a very large portfolio in a relatively short amount of time. And then the other advanced course that I'll be coming out with probably towards the end of 2022, maybe even the beginning of 2023, is going to be a crypto futures strategies course. And that's going to go over how to trade crypto using futures. You can have leverage of up to 100 times with crypto futures. And the best part is you can make money when the crypto goes down, in addition to making money when the crypto goes up. And so that's going to be another course I'll be coming out with towards the end of 2022 or beginning of 2023. Okay, since all of that is in the future, I just wanted to let you know that in the meantime, ZipTraderU is still running his Black Friday special with $100 off. If you want to take advantage of that, it brings the course down to $299, and it also gives you lifetime access to his morning briefings. They're every single morning, about 30 minutes before the markets open. He gives a list of stocks that will quite often run up 70 or 100% during the day, and you also get access to his Discord where he helps you understand the concepts in his course. If you want to take advantage of that, I have a link to ZipTraderU down in the description of this video. Just at checkout, instead of entering StockCurry15 to get 15% off, enter Black Friday 100 to get $100 off. Also, I wanted to let you know that Invest with Henry is still running his Black Friday special. He's doing 70% off of his options trading course. So instead of it being $1,000, it's now $300. Now, I don't have a link for that one, but if you just go over to, I think it's investwithhenry.com, you can take advantage of that and get his options trading course for $300 if you don't want to wait for mine. All right, let's get into our stock and crypto picks. For those of you guys who are new to this channel, my name is Stock Curry. I used to work as an analyst for some large investment banks, and now I analyze stock picks on YouTube. Every day, I spend hours and hours and hours watching YouTube videos, and then I consolidate all of the stock picks from the top YouTubers, and I put them together into a single video. I give you both the cliff notes on their stock picks, as well as my analysis on their stock picks. Now, if anything I talk about today piques your interest, make sure you listen to who I say talked about that stock, and then go watch their video to get the full details on what they said. Now, all I ask for putting all of this together for you guys is that you hit that like button, subscribe, and follow the page so that you can get notified when I release my next video. And if you're watching on YouTube, go ahead and click the bell icon next to the word subscribed, and then click all so that you can get notified when I release my next video. I'll give you 5 seconds to do that right now. All right, before we get into our stock and crypto picks, I do want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I talk about today is a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold. These are just my opinions, which may or may not be accurate. Please do your own research before investing in any asset. If you're wondering what you're looking at right now, this is the Webull desktop app. Webull is the app that I use for my trading, and it is also the app that I use in all of my videos. If you'd like to get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300, you can sign up for Webull using my link in the description below. When you sign up for Webull using my link in the description below and deposit any amount, even $1, Webull is going to send you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300. All right, let's get into today's stock and crypto picks. And first up is BTC. This is Bitcoin. Larry Jones let us know that El Salvador just bought another 100 Bitcoin. Every time BTC dips, El Salvador buys more. That should be a sign that you might want to consider buying the dip also. Cryptocurrencies across the board rebounded massively on Monday. In yesterday's video, I talked about how crypto fear and greed index was near a bottom and was a sign that crypto might bottom out and start going back up. So Monday's rise in crypto prices was no surprise. Next up is SHIB. This is Shiba Inu. Larry Jones, Stockmo, Keenan Grace, and ZipTrader all talked about how SHIB has been rising along with the overall crypto market. Technically, SHIB is showing signs of bottoming out, but we don't quite have confirmation yet. It initially rejected the 21-day EMA on Monday, although at the time of this recording, it did break through. This may be a bull trap, so just be careful. On the bullish side, the MACD histogram is rising, which is a sign of bottoming out. Further, Keenan Grace let us know that SHIB was just listed on Kraken, which is a major crypto exchange. Also, Newegg, an e-commerce website for computers, will be accepting SHIB starting next month through BitPay. And ZipTrader let us know that SHIB is now over 1 million wallet holders. Now technically, once SHIB closes above the 21-day EMA and the MACD forms a golden cross, that will be confirmation of a rebound. Right now, it looks like that will happen if SHIB closes green on Tuesday and Wednesday. If both of those things fail to happen, though, we could see SHIB continue falling lower. And next up is CRWD. This is CrowdStrike. This is a cybersecurity company used by banks and other large companies to help cybersecurity professionals manage threats. The traveling trader likes CRWD now that it is down to the 300-day EMA. CRWD is nearly oversold on the RSI, so this does look like it might be bottoming out soon. The traveling trader did warn that CRWD has earnings coming up in a few days, so you might want to wait until after earnings to buy in if you are risk adverse. Also, the traveling trader likes CRWD for a long-term hold and not a swing trade. Next up is JETS. This is an airlines ETF. The traveling trader thinks the hit to airlines from the new pandemic was an overreaction, and he likes JETS for a long-term hold. On Friday, JETS dropped down to a level that it had not seen since last year. This was due to fear that there might be a global shutdown again like we saw in March of 2020. In reality, countries are coming out saying there will not be any new shutdowns. Now, there's no telling how slow or fast JETS will recover, so the traveling trader warned to only buy this as a long-term hold. The traveling trader is also considering some LEAP cash-secured puts on JETS. Just be careful and make sure that you set some stop losses, because if the new pandemic variant ends up being a lot worse than expected, that could cause travel stocks to drop even further. By the way, everything I just said also applies to BA, which was a stock that Chris Steen talked about today. Next up is NVDA. This is NVDA. Invest with Henry likes NVDA because they continue to grow regardless of the current market conditions or pandemic shutdowns. Henry sold bullish LEAP put spreads on NVDA. A put spread is similar to a cash-secured put, but requires less collateral. That said, I would not sell put spreads on NVDA at the current price. NVDA was running overbought for quite a long time, and now the MACD is about to form a death cross. I would wait for a pullback on NVDA before opening a position. I like NVDA closer to the 50-day EMA. Therefore, I'm going to give you a buy-under price of $280 and an ideal buy-in price of $240. Next up is OKTA. This is OKTA, and they're a cloud-based security company for large companies and government organizations. The traveling trader likes OKTA because it dropped down to a support level going all the way back to November of last year and has since rebounded. Technically, OKTA looks good, but they do have earnings coming up, and if those earnings are bad, we could see OKTA drop even further. On the other hand, if the earnings are good, we could see OKTA rebound drastically. So if you are risk adverse, you might want to consider waiting to buy OKTA until after earnings. And next up is PLTR. This is Palantir, and they're a data analytics company. The traveling trader likes PLTR at the current price. PLTR fell down to $20 where it bottomed out. It is now rebounding. The stock closed above the $21 support level on Monday. It also bounced off of oversold in the RSI, and the MACD histogram is rising as well. Now, we don't have any confirmation of a rebound yet, so this is still risky. But if you believe in PLTR long term, this is a great price to buy in. The traveling trader also said this would be an easy swing trade at the current price, and I agree with that. The traveling trader sold cash secured puts on PLTR. If you want to play options, you could also consider a bullish put spread, which is similar to a cash secured put, but requires significantly less collateral. And last up is This is Unity Software. They're a developer of game developer software. Invest with Henry thinks will continue to perform well as the metaverse grows and more companies build games, platforms, and business tools for the metaverse. Henry is using the concept that during a gold rush, you want to be the person selling shovels. You is the shovel that helps engineers build the metaverse. Invest with Henry likes you for a long-term hold. In the short term, however, is a falling knife. So I would wait for you to bottom out before buying in. Because of that, I will give you a buy under price of $160 and an ideal buy-in price of $145. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and get a lot out of it. Comment down below what your favorite stock pick is. And if you're looking for a broker to trade with, you can sign up for Webull using my link in the description below. When you sign up for Webull using my link in the description below and deposit any amount, even $1, Webull's going to send you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300. Now, if you're not a U.S. resident, or if you're looking to trade OTC penny stocks, or if you just don't like payment for order flow, then I recommend Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a great trading platform. They have highly discounted trading throughout the world. Trade start just $1 US, $1 Canadian dollar, 4 euros, or 6 Australian dollars, depending upon where you live. Crypto trading starts at just 0.18% with no bid-ask spread. And both Webull and Interactive Brokers both offer the full pre-market and after-hours trading from 4 a.m. until 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, I do want to remind you that I do have material connections with both Webull and Interactive Brokers, so whenever you sign up for either one, not only are you getting a great broker to trade with, you're also helping me to continue to produce these great videos for you. Now, finally, I want to remind you to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon and click all if you haven't already. I hope you have a lot of success trading, and I will see you tomorrow.